Hi everyone, Hayder Shikara here from Justice Family Lawyers. What are my rights as a father after separation? This is a question we get asked almost every day. There are a wide range of fathers across Australia that are either uninformed or misinformed about their rights as a parent. I will start off by saying that there is nowhere in the Family Law Act of Australia that differentiates between the genders of a parent of a child. So there is nothing that says as a father you should be receiving XYZ or as a mother you should be receiving ABC. Quite often there is a lot of misinformation as to what fathers should be receiving in terms of time with their children, whether or not they should access their children, whether or not they're able to make decisions about their children. Quite often fathers contact us because they want to spend more time with their children. As for what that time looks like, it normally does depend on the age of the child, the maturity of the child, and the individual circumstances of each case. I'll give you a quick example. In the event that a mother and father live a considerable distance apart, we're talking maybe an hour travel in between each household, it would be unrealistic for a father to say, I want 7 days out of 14 days with the children. The reason being is it would be a large amount of traveling between each household that the child will need to do. It would be a large amount of traveling for the child to go to school, and it might not be in the best interests of the child. This is just one factor amongst a whole range of factors as to whether or not it would be appropriate to increase a father's time with the children. Now, if you want specific advice, of course, we'd recommend that you speak to a lawyer, and we would be able to ascertain very quickly how many nights, what kind of time you should be looking at in terms of spending with your child. It is simply incorrect to say that a father's rights to a child is lesser than that of a mother's. It is simply incorrect. Now, in terms of parental responsibility, there is a presumption that both parents have joint parental responsibility, equal and shared parental responsibility of their children. So it is important to understand this. It is important to be educated and informed as to what you can and can't do. Speak to one of our friendly family lawyers who will be able to give you tailored advice for your specific situation. If you want to spend more time with your children, we're going to be able to help you out.